Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 46. If the sons of Dhritarashtra, weapons in hand, slay me in battle, unresisting and unarmed, that would be better for me.
Chapter 1, Shloka 46. Yadi mama pratikaram ashastram shastrapanayah dhardarashtarane hanyoho tanme kshemataram bhavet.
In this shloka number 46, we have the final words of Arjuna. And from this also, we can find out what is the cause of the confusion which is going on in his mind. He says, the sons of Dhritarashtra, even if they kill me unarmed and unresisting, that will be better for me. So, now if we analyze, we will find in life, victory means not physical security, but spiritual self-mastery. But from the arguments which Arjuna has presented to us in the previous so many shlokas, he is painting a picture that to fight a war is against the spiritual culture of our country. And so, not fighting a war is a sure material blessing. And so, he wants to escape from the battle, which will be sure physical security. What has caused all this confusion? Arjuna was involved in the anxiety for the fruits of action. His mind was all the time worried about the fruit of action. And the fruit of action is victory in battle. Now, because of this anxiety for the fruit of action, that is victory in battle, he got demoralized more and more. And this demoralizing landed him in an anxiety state neurosis. This state of anxiety state neurosis is now what is the real problem which has caused all the confusion. What he does after this, we will see in the next video, which is the last shloka of this chapter. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.